Welcome everyone to today's screencast. It's going to explain to you what you're doing for your synchronous work today in class, as well as your asynchronous work you're going to complete in your independent student working time. Okay. All right. So first of all, remember we're still working on our tic-tac-toe choice boards. You guys are finally completing your third task to complete your tic-tac-toe line, right? And remember, the line, you have to make sure it has to be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal, whichever way you want to, as long as you chose starting with 5, right? Okay, so we're going to go to classwork. I'm going to start off with day 8.2 tic-tac-toe choice board. This one is going to be for your second entry, okay? So let's go take a look. It's the same thing. Your second, your second entry, second choice is pretty much your third entry, right? So you're gonna do the same thing as you did, and then after you're done, what you're gonna do is your asynchronous work for today's class is you're going to complete a quiz, and it's going to be two parts. It's going to be part 1 and part 2. Now you have to remember that this is graded. So therefore, you should review your notes and material before completing them. I just want to say good luck to everybody. I'm pretty sure everyone's going to do a great job. You just got to make sure that you really go through the materials and have a good understanding of natural selection, mutations, and stuff that you have been reading, and we've been talking about in class, and the stuff that you've been doing in your choice boards. Okay, let me show you where your quizzes are, right? So we're going to go back to week 4, classwork, and then in part 1, so you're going to start with part 1, day 8.3, natural selection quiz part 1. Now, all these questions are multiple choice and true and false, so you're going to be able to see your scores as soon as you submit them. Carefully read the questions, and then choose the best option for each of the questions. Okay, there's 8 of them, and each of the questions are worth 2 points. So that's going to be a total of 16. Okay, so that's going to be part 1. Make sure that you submit this due by Friday. You will not be able to edit your responses. Okay, all right, so make sure that you really go through your notes. All right, so that's part 1. Part 2 is going to be less points, but you're going to have to do a little bit more reading. You're going to have to read the graphs and really analyze what's going on to the different population of species, okay, based on their traits. So number 1, you're going to read this, you're going to look at the graphs and choose the best option, okay. Number 2, same thing, you're going to read this text right here, description, look at the pictures, and then based on the description and the pictures, you're going to choose the best option for number 2. All right, next you have number 3. You're going to read the description for number 3, look at the pictures, then answer number 3. All right, remember each question is worth 1 point. It's going to be a total of 4 points, and you will not be able to go and edit your responses. All right, and number 4, here we go. Last question, just straightforward statement question that you have to choose the best option. Okay, and this quiz part 2 is due by Friday. Make sure that you submit it on time, so you don't lose any points if you submit it late. All right, so that's pretty much what I have for you guys today. Good luck. Like I said, this is graded, so make sure you review your notes and material and all the information that we did, especially your circle maps, because you guys input a lot of information and a lot of hard work in there. So save some time and go through your circle maps and review what you learned throughout this process. Okay, we're still not done with natural selection, so this is just going to be a quiz, and there will be a test further down the line. Okay, all right, guys. Good luck and have a great day. See you.